In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image on a slide using PowerPoint 2007. This is a very handy skill to make your presentations more dynamic and visually engaging. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is loaded and ready to go, navigate to the presentation you'd like to edit. Whether it's for a work project, school, or just for personal use, having your presentation file handy is essential for this process. After you've got your presentation opened, the next step is to locate the slide that contains the image you wish to rotate. Click on the slide to bring it up on your screen. Now, it's time to get your image ready for editing. Click directly on the image you want to rotate. This action will highlight the image, indicating that it is selected and ready for adjustments. Now we get to the fun part, rotating the image. If you look closely at the image's border, you'll notice a small circular arrow icon at the very top. This is your rotation handle. To rotate the image, simply click on this arrow with your mouse, hold it down, and begin to drag it in either a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. You'll see the image start to turn as you move your mouse, allowing you to adjust it to whatever angle suits your needs best. While you're rotating, keep in mind that a subtle tilt might be all you need for some creative effect, while other times a full 90-degree rotation might be required, especially if you initially imported the image sideways or upside down. If you want more precision in your rotations, consider holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging, as this can help with more controlled movements. If at any point you're not happy with the angle, don't worry, you can easily adjust it by repeating the rotation process until it looks just right. And if you find yourself really not liking the changes, you can always employ the undo function by clicking on the undo button or pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to revert to the previous state. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, release the mouse button to set the rotation. Ensure that all visual elements on your slide now align in a cohesive and professional manner that complements your presentation's theme. With these straightforward steps, you can rotate images in your PowerPoint slides with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your PowerPoint skills.